Yes, Lebacho.
Yes. Let me beside yeah, Cedi to dollar depreciation. You bet me
dollar
back after Russia.
Dollar can never come down to 12.
Wow.
Dollar can never come back to 10. Meaning said, when you hit the currency hit a certain roof, you do not have the exports to get the foreign reserve to mitigate the difference. What does it mean? Say, all things being equal, the same pattern of economy and the same pattern of economy means say, import oriented and less export.
Yeah.
The same pattern is said. The same cocoa now what they call Abrofo no kwa be start say cocoa no kwa no ye nye a priority beam. Name of your cash crop and I say tomatoes because many penny cocoa no a priority. Chocolate no a priority. Ye pe aduane di but so cocoa no kwa na what they call. And what does it mean? What it means in say?
Yeah.
Ghana US dollars and yen liter. US dollars no. What people do not know, Bank of Ghana in dollars. Bank of Ghana what is called dollar market, or called the US Treasury. It will also say another third party, another third country there. What dollar from US? Nowhere you should be maybe a Kenya or third party purchase. Into the other say, Ube increase say na your country your balance of payment and your dollars are your exporter. And to be increase your dollar need. It meaning said, your America, when the economy is only 80 billion. In the American treasury, dollar or tomayano, it be a monthly in France 20 million, 30 million of the Ghana government. 30 million, or the $100 at the Maya 96.5. Into that $5 net, that's no. This is a treasury difference. Our Ghana government or the back. Now, the Toma Bank, that bank was Saudi. That is the dollar market. US Treasury, or $10 Gambia, or $10 Cote d'Ivoire, or $10 country, Germany could be the same thing as you could be. Now, economy, no, what peg with dollar? It's with dollar, no. The US market, Treasury government in the amount, American Economic Ministry demand. But the amount is based on the size of your dollar. If the other man or just $100 at the man $96. Now what for $4 at the aya near Maniama at the Bia Farmer by na bank is what from Bino. So will you see the other man now a friendly regulated treasury requirement? Will you see we are? Yes, I will say now about the GDR and then the friends said do flip. When you say either say or illegal way there local currency no adults and now say extra forces be no $80 because the demand and no economy less than time. But they say media nipa na di local currency penny dollar na bedoso and American funds $10 amount.
Oh, okay. They say America buying $10 and Ghana.
There be economic treasury requirement. We need the size of economy. In terms of bisu, dollar be a debate from American Bank, the Bank of Ghana. No, you need to dollar now of America that. And then the US government recycle into a assassin. Prudent economy. Because Saudi Arabia, but
America for say dollar na ya use a debate kono.
Papa Nanka from 1946, home started to Saudi Arabia, oil no, and home dollar in America. On to me increase. The local currency need vote. They say dollar or the idea is a dollar and back to America, and that is very much. Either say travelers na debeko, tourists na debeko, and not business people the better the dollar nako.
And the Goyle and other foreign companies na wahano, omuba no the dollar ne ba. Na so almost san e de akwa, omo de kwa America ban Nigeria, then they destroy it.
Through the financial system, it's kind of about to do America. And you but Scano, America from per se, they all will be a $20. They all will do currency for the movie. Class Georgia and yet that America dollar, the Bank of Canada. There be an issue that you have to carry a package. Even for the same thing. They call Kenya the same thing. They call Cote d'Ivoire the same thing. in can the dollar cost around the world on daily basis or monthly basis, you know. The US dollar no and can the local dollar no can do go say and can economy not jeopardize it into our greatest stock of dollar cash every year beyond and then the friend geo-economic prudence. Economic prudence, you know, how many dollar no may so much or the regulated dollar away the United States. Enti aba se Ghana government no or the dollar ne kakana they demand the size of the economy na ontimi gonko to bien because American government was for bisu dollar na sa $100 na na ko ti be $2-3-4 no so so beta was man 110
okay
enti won tonto now no na say we rely on the local market no. They were within the sub-region of West Africa. Wow. The dollar, $100 $65 to 66, maximum 68,000 CFA. Papa 10 years and also.
Aden.
Because of economic prudence. And you're working the shillings against dollar. $10. $1 to 10 shillings, $1 to 10.5, acquired to 11 shillings, you know, for more than 15-12 years, you know, and cost because our resources to export to the same American market to get the balance of trade deficit gap. We need this, and to the dollar now come for na top. Now the dollar no for China. In the American, he said dollar na e be come hano. Any American ya de be fan yemano. Yeah, they call China. Yeah, they call Dubai. And I sell dollar to you all the time. Now on call for $4 no. On some family America. What the dollar na ako fan yema China. So China has the reserve of dollar more. And they say China no will not be a stronger force because of the dollar American dollar no dollar be the whole. And was security among the traders and then etc. Only American beef. In the country, Biana West, we import more. America or regulated treasury. Papa, this is the education. Or regulated treasury. America, on pound, $1 more. In country, say how much about okay. I don't think $1. Can we ever see this in the treasury? $1 politics, you know, as can be a hunter. I don't think because can you forget and say America for $10 Papa crazy issue ni na no. Mama me ade ba ko so. Yes, we be currency integration.
Okay.
Country a wundi sika ni di no, eni no. A me no ka say no. Ghana cedi na be free fall. Me pa cho, His Excellency Vice President or himfa. My small advice. I'm say Akoma mo ko akire, mo kan tell me say nothing stops a country to integrate economy no dollar and a punish you. Bepa ajubre Cedis no Togo nibi Cedis Cote d'Ivoire nibi but dollar ni do BID and once all do some new go achi what American treasury among who himfa president of country of America do am pa choko Joe Biden economic minister monka ho you don't need IMF for America sem pa Cedi no asay Ghana you gold your diamond your niama e betim dia backing you no be trading pact your bilateral agreement you be shim kina. Say me see the Nigeria, the person no US 1:1. Na me ye a currency integration. Akoma, we exclusive am the amount. Your countries 11 in the world. 11. Zimbabwe. Waka home. What the American dollars is you need Zimbabwe dollars in.
Wow.
1:1. Palau 1:1. Micronesia 1:1. Panama 1:1, East Timor 1:1. Countries so mo call problem ayenye wo mu bi no. Ecuador, yeni Ecuadorian Ecuador or used to US dollar 1:1. El Salvador, San Salvador 1:1. Now,
is it that simple? Because Ghana, ya CD redenomination, ya pay Ghana 1 CD to American $1. Can we go back and do that again?
Baba, we CD redenomination. No, be an catch of zero. Prudent at that time, no. Now, ya cohepic key. And now reserves to me, say okay. But again, we didn't think how now you be as sustain we are to increase it because when you Malta and now when you UK, when you service country to say Singapore, and this are what capping CDC off. And now also we are redenomination, we are yeah, only problem. We are redenomination, no. We are no the following year a day export and I yeah. Now you're strong enough to say we exporting more. I get more dollar than say we import our year. Answer was very zero. Into social President Kufuor denomination or year no. After 3 years, you know, and a hit by because the dollar started now meant to $2 to $100. Now I starting to increase it. Before the President Kufuor because now hit 4 margin because now we need the income against the export. Now the ability to until they say we are exposed. Now we are more exposed because the country, you know, if they our size, we demand a better more. And our demand in a better more because we know me, no, we know Ghana dollar, Ghana Cedi, your cash stock. Now, me show bibi, Monko Fred, Honorable Safumafo. One person say. His Excellency President Kufuor only the first finance minister, Obakai.
Yeah, Mikaipa.
Under Jerry Rawlings. 1999, free fall a year Rawlings in Yabi. Come International Committee of Magistrate Money
Akoma FM.
And a Rawlings 10% and Hobart Seno. And the room said Ghana Cedi young one Yibi. And a Rawlings share cities more. So there was huge cities, so be will be. But I thought Yamaka credit, but no one found. You can go for
okay.
99. Osafuma Fobeya Minister of Finance. On one case who said the excess of Ghana Cedi stock at World Bank of Ghana any circulation it was over 66%.
Wow.
Rollins brought to the Cedi because say when you support the company to be a look at and Osafuma for 66% of the Ghana Cedi and was saying, no me the redenomination. Monko Busa of Map say, then no cutting zero so because the stock of the city. 66%. I didn't know only way. That's what I say. Currency integration. Easier. You just apply, say, Papa, arrogant, I'm doing CB, and for so be a maso. Mammy, my join with the America who is not anything. Now, country is a Palau, Micronesia in the Pacific, Marshall Islands, the Turks and Caicos, the population is 300,000. America is joining the currency. Who are mineral resources, American and open.
So educate your hammo enti ye konanka ye kokasa America ye ni mo dollars Ghana ye jai Cedi dia ye ba bedi den Ghana dollar na se
papa enya Obama dollar bi Obama is US dollar 1:1 na wa sema ye tietia Zimbabwe say no yusu Zimbabwe dollar ni bi wa ye zidi no wa charge Zimbabwe dollar next for US dollar 1:1 because or 1,000% of inflation. Yes. Incident in this has been no. And the kind of politicians and the economics integration will be
but no ebejatum say our colonial masters, the United Kingdom, will not be happy with this.
Papa, United Kingdom had never supported any country to colonize since the independence. How can they not be independent? How can they? Colonial masters of the United Kingdom all over the world, territories on fire. No, one single country on the British pounds. Papa, please. Yes, I'm an international certified diplomatic consultant. The unique country I will use pounds. The only country I use pounds. Maltese pounds, expensive chair British pounds because on no export and tourism.
Okay.
You see, carry with the members in Malta.
Malta.
Kenya Maltese pounds, Malta.
Yeah.
Share one Maltese pounds against English pounds. And then the only expensive pounds are cheap UK. One on we use UK British pounds. No, we use Maltese pounds as a name.
Akoma FM.
UK the other no so when we jaw my life 65 years or for 6 hours joining home. See this one at the mile, 1 my shillings. British will not see this mile on my shillings. Walk Bocos, no shillings. And I will be in cities into a farm bank. You can name with trade and no more. Apart from so your developing partner support to balance your budget in the amount, our education, and infrastructure, and Yaman. Samadia is export to UK, Mamidi. Local Common Netto, Switzerland Netto, Belgium Netto. You can colony bank. You can have Nigeria and why not Nara, expensive British pounds. Now it's expensive more than yes. Under Shagari time, British when they jeopardizing Nigeria economy. And no catch them mundi value. Devaluation Nigeria for British when they because they were afraid of the country's stock of money and in the population and Nigeria for politicians who Jessica. No currency because British was afraid. About Nigeria for Nara no. Even with that, Naira today, who can 500 Naira? I had done a better 3 cedis. Nigeria no did main show call. Until $500 arise. Locally, no, Omedia and air for locally transport your team. That is the deal.
Because one Naira is equals to about 1 Ghana cedi equals to around 6 or 8 Naira.
Yes.
In Nigeria, yeah.
And to check it, 500 Naira. Or the big name, which is a token. Or the big name. And then we are trying to say, in the 2 to 3 cities, saying to me, yeah, Ubeju Kusiaka one, Ubeju 10, 15.
And what they call Naira, thousands of Naira.
And no Nigerian can eat that, not even a governor. I said, no.
So, what the converted by Ghana Sikama, not even a governor will eat that.
Daddy, our Nigeria. I did the annual the 30. Who go just about 1,000 Naira? What about them?
I see. So 500 Naira to a Ghana cedi, 15 cedis, 88 pesos.
15 cedis, 88 pesos. No, question number all year. Question number gonna be an
and Governor Kran spending 15 cedis, 88 pesos. Our Nigerian.
They say for Nigeria, Neko told you 500 Naira next number. Neko Ghana 15 cedis. If you next year saying.
Oh, that what trouble we knew and now what bokabe about 80 cedis, 50 cedis. What?
Emi abra wonkwa
yeah, I don't know number 120 110 because na akrantie baako 40 Ghana cedis.
Akrantie Ukraine for na toman.
Akrantie ye twa no sere baako ana ne nsa baako.
40 Ghana. Akrantie Ukraine for na toman.
Oh.
Ah?
Hey.
Akrantie nam Ukraine for na ton.
So
economy say na say Mfanko Shubia.
Aja wahab na mimi sa we ntwato and I'm down as a Ghanaian.